Hello everyone, welcome to Desilicious Kitchen. Today let us see how to make methi mutia or fenugreek leaves fritters. These fritters are a Gujarati recipe. These can be had as is or they can be added to another Gujarati recipe called undio. Before that, do not forget to subscribe to our channel Desilicious Kitchen and press the bell icon for notifications. So to make this recipe, we have taken 500 grams fresh fenugreek leaves or methi ke patte. And we have chopped them after washing them, and now we are adding them to a mixing bowl. Now add some salt and 2 teaspoons sugar. This is crushed garlic 1 tablespoon, crushed ginger 1 tablespoon, crushed green chilies 1 tablespoon, and 3 tablespoons chopped coriander leaves. And these are fresh green garlic. Fresh green garlic leaves, you get them only in this season. This is optional, but because we have them, we have added. This is again 3 tablespoons fresh green garlic leaves and 1 teaspoon red chili powder, half a teaspoon turmeric powder or haldi, juice of 1 big lemon, which comes to 2 tablespoons lemon juice. Let's mix it well so that the leaves are covered with the masala. So we are done mixing, and now we are adding chickpeas flour or besan. This is 500 grams besan or chickpeas flour. We have added them in, and now we are adding 3 tablespoons rice flour or chawal ka atta. This recipe, original recipe, actually calls for wheat flour or gehu ka atta. But because we are gluten free, we cannot use wheat. So we have substituted with just besan and a little bit of rice flour. But believe me, the taste has not been compromised at all. This tastes as good, if not better. So do give this a try. Now we have kneaded it into a dough. And now let us pinch a small portion of it and shape it in any way we want. We are shaping it in this oblong shape. We can also make it in round shapes. So this way we are going to make oblong balls out of this and add it to hot oil. Add about 3 to 5. We don't want to overcrowd the pan. Otherwise the fritters may stick to each other. While putting the mutias in, the oil was very hot, the flame was high, and now for cooking it, we have kept the flame medium. It has to cook inside too. Otherwise it will turn brown outside and it will not be cooked inside. So we have to take care to cook it inside. Now let's flip it to the other side. One side has turned golden brown. Now let us flip to the other side. The fritters have turned golden brown. Now we are removing them from the hot oil. You can have this with just chutney or green chutney or sauce, or you can just have them as is. But today, as we said, these mutias are going into undio. Very soon we are going to show undio recipe in our channel. So keep a watch for it. I hope you enjoyed watching this recipe. Thank you very much. See you soon with another exciting recipe. Bye. Take care.